Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got colors by Llarowe, Mocha Grande, and I'm going to do a gingerbread mani. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is the Insane Pretty Mocha Grande by Colors by Llarowe. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this chocolate brown with all that shimmer in it. The glimmers, shimmers, glitters, I don't know what all's in it, but I love it. And the formula, as always, with Colors by Llarowe, amazing, absolutely amazing, flawless, easy to use. Love polishes like that. So I am trying to get up here in that little nook and cranny over there, and I'm going to cap my free edge. And this polish, actually, I totally could have got away with one coat, but I'm going to go ahead and do two, because I always do two. Always. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's not even singing yet. I am going to top it with Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. I decided I wanted to wear it on its own for one day and enjoy it just on its own. I don't do that a whole lot, but sometimes I get to do that. Look how gorgeous and luscious it is. Oh my. There we go, capping that free edge with the top coat here. And here is a swatch photo on its own. Oh my. I'll be using with Sonia W222 and Beauty Big Bang XL034, the Gingerbread Men, and BMS214, some more Gingerbread Men. Just broke them all out. I'll be stamping or using Brave Steve the Shutout, yep, for stamping. And I've got several stampers out here, some AliExpress, some Maniology, some Conad. I got a little bit of everything. So I'm just going to stamp things out. I am going to be making decals or reverse stamping today. Advanced stamping, whatever you want to call it. And it's, you know, I'm going to go ahead and fess up early on in the video. I do finish this manicure and I'm not really happy with it. But then I come back and show you what I did to make it more wearable for me. Some of that, wore it for a day, hated it. So this is Pure Ice, and this is Girl Crush. It's one of their neons, and I am going to use a dotting tool to fill in some of the gingerbread men with this. And this wasn't technically a Christmas manicure, although it could have been. I just did it because I wanted kind of a funky... Somebody asked me last year, I can't remember who, I think it might have been Gina, asked me to do kind of like an out-of-the-box, off-the-wall gingerbread mani. I didn't forget, and this is my attempt at it. I decided, whatever. I got these polishes, I got the plates, let me just go ahead. And as usual, you know, it's just out of my box. I like doing things that are kind of crazy. Well, I ended up with one little crazy candy cane on this because it was next to the stamper, or on the stamping plate, so whatever. And this pink is also a Pure Ice, and it's, I think it's called Bestie, or Besties, and it's just the hot pink one from that neon collection. And I'm coloring in some of the other images with that color. So there we go, and here's the little single one that's going to go on my accent nail. And I can tell you right now what happened with this manicure, why I didn't like it. Somehow or another, oh, and before I get carried away, here's that Get a Grip. I'm going to use it as my sticky base to get the images to transfer over to my nail really well. I don't want some partially sticking. But what happened was, with stamping with white, those neon colors kind of bled through the white, especially on the green. And it just kind of distorted it, and you couldn't really tell what they were. I walked around all day at work one day and looking down at my hands, I was like, oh, I got little pink and green blobs. Yay. So, yeah, it was a fail in that respect. So I'm using my little cuticle tool, and I'm kind of cutting off the excess, as much of it as I can. And I tell y'all, every time I use this tool, I promise I am not like gouging. If I was, you'd be seeing some, you know, some seepage. I would be bleeding. But no, we have none of that. I'm not tearing up my nails or my cuticles or anything with this tool. Just kind of, you know, it's just assisting me. So now that I've got that part done, I'm going to go in with my acetone and my cleanup brush and tidy all this up and kind of melt the edges of that decal, or that, yeah, I guess they're decals, that decal down to my nail, you know, get it to seal good. I don't want that thing popping up later. So there we go. I did that to all of the nails. I'll be using the Maniology smudge-free top coat over everything, because this side of the decal was the paint side. It's, you know, it's definitely like fresh paint. And then I'm going to top it with Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And even at this point, y'all, I already knew I wasn't liking it. I was like, oh, well, whatever. I got polish on my nails. I'm okay. I'm okay. It wasn't singing. Wasn't talking to me. Hi, Woody. How you doing? He's a good helper, isn't he? So there we go. So there's my swatch photo of my blobs. And then I'm going to go in, and this is the next day. I'm using the black stamping polish from Braves Diva, and I'm just going to go over them and outline them in black the best I can. One of them I nail it pretty good, and another one of the nails I didn't do so well lining it up, but I was much happier with it this way. I have trouble seeing those lines sometimes with that lining it up, especially trying to get it on camera and line it up. It's just squirrely, so I apologize. Okay, just commit to it, jump on it, whatever. So there we go. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and do a little bit of cleanup. I used my Burt's Bees, so it's real easy cleanup this time. I'm going to top it again with the smudge-free top coat. And then I'm going to top it with Poshe. Now, it still looks a little wonky, funky, but it's better than it was, in my opinion. I liked it much better this way. Much, much better. Now, the little accent nail is a little hard to see, but the rest of them I was much happier with. So here is that Mani in motion. Done again in my swatch photo. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you all for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.